that either.
What is it, Kate?
What's that one?
Where's that one?
Oh, you know what? This one has to be cut.
Okay, here. Where's that one?
Okay, there's nothing in there, Kate. Keep pulling.
Paper, yay.
Okay, there's more in here. Look in here. Inside.
Look in the box. What's in the box?
Yay.
Keep going, keep going.
Look, there's something in there.
You know what? Are these
Have to check it out, make
These
sure
aren't
there's no
anything,
loose
right?
stuff in there. Shake. Alright.
I don't know where those came from.
She's actually sweaty.
Huh?
No, those I think were
I
just
don't know
cold.
that.
What is that? Whoa!
Okay.
Whoa!
Oh, so this something else has to be put together.
Put together.
Put together.
We're gonna need a lot more beer.
What is that? Put that together?
What is it,
What
Kate?
is it?
Halloween spirits.
Oh!
Oh, looks like something.
Looks like maybe it's a swing.
I don't know.
Is it a swing?
No.
It
It's a
is.
swing.
Hey, look, you're on swing.
Teeter totter?
Guess what?
What is that?
What is it, guys?
Yay.
Yeah, what is it?
Because like you got these little things. Is it like a teeter totter or something?
Do you know what it is?
Who's it from?
His old roommate, Hunter.
Hope there's some instructions in there. We're in trouble.
Me too.
Yeah. After you drink enough beer, put the transfer together. Ideas will just flow.
Piece of cake.
Yeah, ideas will just flow.
Is that
Oh, there
really
you
you
go.
that stinks?
Huh?
Is that really you that reeks?
No.
What is it?
Oh, is it Caitlin?
I thought it was. I thought you were festive.
You want to put your head on?
I didn't dirty my pants that I'm aware of.
Now you're two. A birthday means presents in all shapes and sizes, ice cream and cake, and treats and surprises, laughter, excitement, and fun all day too, with everyone saying happy birthday to you. Have fun turning 2. Happy birthday, Caitlin. Love Hunter, Kim, Storm, and Ember.
Oh, they have a picture of it there.
I still can't tell what it is.
I don't know either.
That's 12 mega.
But there's instructions on how you do it. So.
What happened?
I made the swing and wrote the instructions, so call me if the instructions don't make sense.
You made it.
I can do it
So
pretty
it's
with it.
some type of seat.
It's a swing. Thank you.
Hang it
Kate.
from the floor joist in the basement, so the seat is level.
basement.
That's a good height.
Well, I guess you can take it to Nana's house.
Hang it wherever works for you. Floor joists or trusses that are 2 feet on center work really well for the spacing of the ropes. Tell her to hang on tight and ride like the wind. Hopefully she won't pull the house down. I don't understand. Oh.
We can knock some sheetrock out in the garage. If you can
Yeah?
afford it.
How
That'll
would
work.
you do that?
How would I do it if it was me?
We'll figure it out.
You know
Wait,
what you can do is
we
get
can-
some of those hooks like you used to put bicycles up.
we can go over to the garage attic and do it.
He's gonna have to sell the Porsche, so.
Oh, that's right. Sorry.
Here's another one.
It's like a little ride-on swing. Yeah. It's
Ride till the house comes
It's not
down.
really your birthday. I just brought it home with me.
What do you say to everybody?
wondering.
What do you say? What do you say? Caitlin, what do you say?
Thank you.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
You know what I do is I take an